I think that to understand completely the power of the experience of the authenticity, we must start with one remark, that soon we will stand here alone, with no survivors. And what will remain? Only the words of the survivors will remain, together with the authenticity of the Auschwitz-Birkenau, preserved up to this day as a symbol of the entire Holocaust. And if the words of those survivors are powerful and capture our post-war imagination to a dimension that we can hardly comprehend, our sense of reason, in a sense, is not able to handle the reading of Primo Levi, of Elie Wiesel, Imre Kertész, and the others, and we require the authenticity of memorial site to reinforce our post-war imagination in the tangible, the real, and the authentic sense. The Shoah happened here. I was on this place, I saw this place, I was walking all along the rampa, all along the barracks, and at that moment, the words of the survivors, let's say, meet together with the authenticity of the place, and it can, let's say, help us to arrive at a certainly deeper level of the education. Of course, there is many difficulties with this education. All the programs, educational programs about the Shoah are very present in many countries now. Let's say the majority, I think, of the democratic world, there are many different programs. They are different, but they are present in the schools, in the different communities. And we can now, I think, after maybe 20 years, make some first, let's say, analysis. Today, we have one of the most persistent questions when we refer to the time of the Shoah, and we cannot easily pass by the fact that the moral authorities stayed silent, that the underground did not stop the transport, or that the Allies did not take the Auschwitz-Birkenau crematories for their military target. And there are certainly too few writers among the nations. However, the measure of their courage are those who survived. But if we cannot pass by this fact with a peace of mind, it is because it bothers not only those who lived during the war, but it bothers us, today's generations, as well. And it is right, our condition is not really better.